I'm George Claffey, Chief Information Officer for Charter Oak State College. Charter Oak State College is Connecticut's premier distance learning college. We have approximately 3,000 students and 250 faculty. We serve students all across the United States, specifically helping adult learners come back and complete their college degree. Charter Oak has been working with ePlus for the last 10 years. They've been a trusted partner of ours. They've helped us build everything from desktops to servers. We've used them for 3 major projects in the last few years. The first one was a FlexPod deployment, where we removed almost all the equipment in our data center and centralized on a single piece of infrastructure. A second one was removing our phone system and putting in a new state-of-the-art phone system with the Cisco Contact Center. We had an outdated phone system, and it was important to us to make a change to a new system that allowed us 21st century connectivity. And that involves both the technology and the managed services behind it to make sure that that technology works. We partnered with ePlus to both design the system and later on to manage it across that 24/7 spectrum. We have a very hardworking staff, but the managed service center is able to complement that and then support it in the hours that they're not here. And a third one was the 21st century classroom, where we're looking to transform teaching and learning spaces across all of Connecticut. We were really interested in understanding what schools were doing around this space, what technology providers were doing around this space, and where those two were really going to meet together. And so we worked with the ePlus design team and the technology team to really help us complete that environmental scan, and then to build that into some design build documents that we could transition out to the other schools. And that was designed to help them kind of get a head start.
The relationship between ePlus and Charter Oak continues to evolve. We started off with the phone system. We then moved into the FlexPod for the data center. We're also providing support on their network. The foundation that we've been able to put together with them is allowing them to move forward, providing the students with the environment that they need going into the 21st century. One of the keys to the strength of the relationship between Charter Oak and ePlus is our service business reviews. These are regularly scheduled formal meetings where we sit down and review over the past period of time the level of activity, the type of tickets, the type of issues that have come up, what do we need to do to resolve them. Things like security vulnerability are very important, and these get highlighted. Things such as the expiration of service on a particular device that then needs to be replaced are identified. So it's that type of sharing of information that allows us both to move forward, to have the right technology in place at the right time.
Everything changes in the technology industry. Manufacturers, manufacturer reps, even the different hardware and OEMs that we're working with. I'm convinced that technology is going to be one of the transformative agents of higher education in the next 10 years. The challenge is that we don't know exactly what technology we're going to use to do that. It's important that we have a strong and agile foundation, and we've used ePlus to put in a FlexPod, and that gives us a lot of different capabilities. As we've created the classroom project, we've built that with a core of Cisco, and we know that that's going to be able to do what we need today and what we need in the foreseeable future.